particular story. Amid this entire controversy, we have a reaction coming in from Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan himself. He is also saying it's not about him, but the fact that he wrote that long post on social media platform X was to also highlight the plight of the passengers when it comes to traveling, especially by Air India. Listen in to this first reaction.
कोई गलत चीज अगर है, एक रास्ता ये है कि कुछ मत बोलो, लेकिन मुझे लगा कि सवाल मेरा नहीं है। अगर बाकी यात्रियों को भी तकलीफ होती है तो ये चीज मैनेजमेंट को उनके पता चलना चाहिए, ताकि आगे ये स्थिति ना बने। पैसा अगर ले रहे हैं तो हम ठीक से सुविधाएं देने का काम भी करें।
And we have some more breaking updates as well coming in at this point in time. Sources have told Times Now, Ministry of Aviation has sought a report from the airline in this particular case and other airlines as well as Air India. Ministry has asked them to reply within the next 24 hours. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Tejshri, who is joining us live for more on this. Tejshri, give us more details.
Well, yes, what we are getting to know is that as far as the entire incident is concerned, Ministry of Aviation has asked Air India to reply within 24 hours, and in fact they've sought a complete report as to why and how this incident took place, what were the lapses, and if there were lapses, then why they were not resolved at that particular point of time, why did it take so long. These all will be the things that will be mentioned in a detailed report that will be submitted by the airline to the Aviation Ministry. However, we'll have to see that what exactly will the report be mentioning about, because certainly now this matter is going to escalate, because not just Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan is picking up the issue, but several ministers from the BJP itself are raising concerns, raising issue. However, Air India have already issued their statement, but yes, we have to see that what kind of report will they be submitting to the ministry.
All right, Tejshri, thank you for the moment for joining us with those details. Heading into a short break, more updates on the other side.